Kelly Barlow Creations, Crafting on a Budget. If you are new to my channel and stopping by for the first time, thank you for stopping by. Welcome to my channel. Stick around a while by clicking that red button for more crafting on a budget, more everything on a budget videos to come. And if you click it when the bell appears, YouTube will notify you when I'm uploading a new video. If you're interested in following me on social media, you can find those links in the description box below, along with my P.O. box if you're interested in sending me mail and watching me open it up in a video. I came out with some stinking cute new merchandise in different styles and colors. You can find the link to my merchandise in the description box below. Today's DIY is part 3 of my mirror wall decor series that I'm bringing to you. And this one I think is one of my favorites because it is such a different DIY mirror wall decor piece than I've ever seen. For this DIY, I feel like I really thought out of the box and came up with something because Michelle Bailey requested a retro wall decor piece. And this is what I came up with. So thank you, Michelle, for your request. I hope you like what I came up with. And this DIY today is using the plastic bath mats that you can get from the Dollar Tree. So let's jump into it and let me show you what I have in mind for mirror wall decor in the retro style using these bath mats that you can get from the Dollar Tree.
For this DIY, I picked up one of these plastic bath mats from the Dollar Tree, one pack of floral wire, one of Dollar Tree's round mirrors, and I'll also be using Krylon spray paint in the color of Brilliant Silver and Rose Gold. Starting off, I'm going to take my plastic bath mat that I got from the Dollar Tree, and you can see how there's these dots that go all the way down it. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut along each side of these dots all the way down the length of the bath mat on each side. Leaving me with this. I'm going to cut out 4 separate strips, 2 that are 17 inches long or 11 circles long, and 2 that are 10 inches long or 9 circles long. When working with these plastic bath mats, my strips were a bit unruly. They didn't want to lay flat. They were kind of bent in different areas. So I took them outside, I laid them out in the sun, and after about an hour, they were nice and flat, just the way I needed them to be. I'm also going to cut 4 pieces of floral wire, 2 in the measurements of 16 3/4 inches long, and 2 in the measurements of 10 3/4 inches long. Now let's put this mirror together. I'm going to start off with using the 16 3/4 inch piece of floral wire and the 17-inch strip of bath mat. Using my Quick Hold E6000, I'm going to place some Quick Hold right along my floral wire on top. Then very simply, I'm going to take my plastic mat strip and I'm going to lay it right on top of this wire, gluing the mat to the wire. And this is what you should be left with. I'm going to do this to the remaining 3 floral wire pieces that I cut and the 3 bath mat strips. Now taking the 2 17-inch pieces that I glued together on the 6th dot, which is the middle dot, I'm going to take my hot glue gun and I'm going to glue the 2 17-inch pieces together, making a cross. I'm using my hot glue gun because the hot glue will work perfectly with the bath mat because it is rubber and it'll stick very nicely. I was worried about using the glue gun with the bath mat and the wire because it wasn't going to hold. It was going to fall apart and it would keep coming undone. Using the E6000, it's definitely going to hold. Now taking the 2 11-inch pieces, I'm going to hot glue them to the middle as well, giving me what would look like a retro star, or even for this time of year, a snowflake. Once I've got all my pieces glued together, I'm going to flip my star over, and on the back, I'm going to reinforce this with a bit more of my hot glue, just to make sure this is glued together nicely. using Krylon's Color Master in the color of Brilliant Silver. This is a paint that I used in a previous project, so I thought it would be perfect for this one. I'm gonna give this star a nice coat of this paint. This color is such a fun retro color, and it works again nicely for this Christmas season, using these as snowflakes. My star is completely painted, and boy oh boy does it look retro and pretty. You can see here on the back that the colored wire doesn't show it all. That was just used to make the shape of this retro star that I was going for using these bath mats. Now, using some E6000, that's what I suggest you use. For video purposes, I'm going to use hot glue to glue this mirror onto this snowflake because, again, I am recycling these mirrors for this mirror DIY wall series that I'm bringing to you. And I'm just going to glue it to the middle. And to hang this mirror up, I'm going to take another piece of wire and I'm going to bend it in the shape of a U. And I'm going to hot glue it to the back of this mirror. This is such a light piece that there really is no worry about it being too heavy and this hanger not holding it. It's going to hold it just fine. I would say that this mirror, the weight of it is just the mirror itself. And there you have it. This definitely, I think, goes along that modern retro line. I think the outcome is great, and you'd never know that these were made using Dollar Tree's bath mats. And if you keep the mirror off, it is even more perfect for this Christmas time of year as a snowflake on your wall. And because I already had some of Krylon's rose gold spray paint on hand from a previous project, I thought I'd give this a coat with the rose gold spray paint just to see how it looked. And by changing the color of this, it went from modern retro to retro chic. I love the outcome of this. Today's subscriber shout-outs going out to Stephanie Taylor, Sheila Jones, Pam Priest, Elizabeth Hamilton, Janice Reeves.
And there you have it. This is such a fun decor piece, and not only does it suit the retro style, but it could also be used as snowflakes during the winter time. And if you made multiple of these could be the focal point on a wall or in a bathroom. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, and let's get this video to 2,000 likes, because those thumbs up, like I always say, really do help my channel to grow a bit faster, and it helps YouTube to notice me a bit more. Until next time, everybody, I hope you have a fantastic day. Happy crafting on a budget, and bye for now, everybody.